81% of security leaders still rely on spreadsheets to compile board-level reports. That means hours spending into dashboards, formatting CSVs, and chasing down metrics just to prove impact. Abnormal changes that. AI Data Analyst is your autonomous reporting agent, turning complex security data into clear business insights delivered to your inbox. No dashboards, no manual work. In the Abnormal portal, you can schedule recurring reports, monthly, quarterly, or every 6 months. Each one is built by the AI agent, formatted for executive review, and sent straight to stakeholders. Block threats, detection funnel metrics, and benchmarking data ready to present, no spreadsheet required. But what if leadership needs answers now? You only need to send an email. With AI Data Analyst, you can ask questions in plain language straight from your inbox. Just email abby@abnormal.ai. Behind the scenes, the agent pulls the right data, generates a full report, and responds within minutes. And it's not one and done. Need to break it down by department or region? Just reply. The AI agent adapts instantly. No need to touch a dashboard or export data. With AI Data Analyst, reporting isn't a project. It's an automated, always-on capability, turning security events into executive-ready insights. Whether you are prepping for a board update or answering a last-minute CISO request, the answer is already in your inbox. Your data already tells a powerful story. Abnormal makes it effortless to share. Ready to turn insights into impact? Request your personalized demo today.